Okay, we are now at the page regarding the verb conjugations. These two verbs here, avere and essere, are really the main verbs in Italian, and they're the main verbs that you learned in Italian 1. And so you obviously need to know the conjugations of those, but it's not enough just to know how to conjugate it with a conjugation box. Avere, o, I, a, abbiamo, avete, hanno. Well, you got to go one step above that. You have to know what one goes with these subject pronouns. Now, the subject pronouns are pretty clear. You can still do that, but can you do it if the subject pronoun isn't there? Can you recognize what the subject pronoun would be if there's actually a person's name or if there's just a subject? So that's the key. Let's check it out. Voi avete. You have a calculator. Tu, I. So these are easy because that's just a matter of knowing the subject pronoun and the verb conjugation. But what do we have here? Gli studenti. Gli studenti means the students. Okay, so the students is a loro. Therefore, loro form here is si. Gino ed io. Well, I plus anybody else is we. Noi. So the noi form is going to be e. That's what I mean by knowing what verb should go with it, even if it's not explicitly stated. It doesn't say noi here. By saying Gino and io, you should know that it means noi. La professoressa, this is a female. It's a lei. Therefore, the lei form is a, which is a. And tu e Giorgio is a voi form. Tu plus somebody else is voi, you and somebody else. Therefore, you want the voi form di. Okay, so the same concept holds true for essere. Let's see what we have here on 84. Lo studente è. Lo studente is a he. That's a lui form. You would need the lui form of essere. Io. Well, that's pretty clear, isn't it? A. Tu e Patrizia. Just like up here, tu e Giorgio. Tu e Patrizia is a voi form. Therefore, we need the choice B. Tu, just on its own, is D, which is say. You are very intelligent, which I would talk about to all you people. Marco ed io, Marco and I are tall. Marco and I, same up here as Gino ed io. Marco and I is a noi form. Therefore, we need the noi form of the verb of essere, which is siamo. E. Marco e Patrizia is a loro form. A guy and a girl would be a loro form. Therefore, we need the word sono, because coincidentally, essere has two of the same conjugations. Sono means I am, and sono also means they are. That's the only verb in Italian that does that. Sono. Okay. Sorry, that's kind of a sloppy A there. Let's try that again. Not much better. Oh well. Okay, this section is probably the section where you covered the least in Italian 1, so I don't feel too bad if you don't get this, but we'll do our best. This is basically the plural of a. There is an apple on my desk. There are some apples on my desk. There is a pencil in the drawer. There are some pencils in the drawer. So it's basically the plural of un or una. Okay, so scarpe. Scarpe is shoes. All right, feminine plural. Delle. Maglie, same thing. Feminine plural. Stivali, masculine plural, beginning with an S plus consonant. B. Pantaloni. This is just like saying de plus e. I pantaloni. Some pants. A. Masculine plural, beginning with a vowel, B. Zaini, masculine plural, beginning with a Z, therefore B. Vestiti, masculine plural, just normal, that would be A. Borse, this means purses, and so it's feminine, C. Gonne, skirts, some skirts, delle gonne. Jeans is a masculine word. Some jeans, dei jeans. Va bene.